Alright, so some of the products we're going to use to accomplish this are some rubber gloves, some rubbing alcohol, and VHT nightshades. This is a product sold in my local O'Reilly's. I believe I paid $15 for it. I had a coupon code, so it was $5 off, so I actually paid under $10 for this product. My friends have had great success using this product to tint various items on their vehicle, and so I'm going to show you today and walk you through the whole process of tinting your stock taillights for a customized look on your vehicle. My vehicle is 2014 GMC Sierra 1500, and in the next few minutes here we'll walk you through the steps, and you guys will be able to see how I accomplished this, as well as the before and after pictures of the installation. Stick around. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go outside. We're going to pull the taillights, and we're going to let them warm up. I'm going to bring them in the shop here so they can warm up a little bit, because it's about 12 degrees outside today. So hang tight. So the end result is going to give us a similar look to these LED taillights. This isn't my truck, by the way. So, this is my truck, guys. Take a little walk around here. This is the stock look of these taillights. They look pretty good as they sit. Alright guys, we're back. I'm going to wipe these things down. I'm going to set the camera down next to them. You guys can watch me wipe them with the alcohol. We're going to let them dry, warm up a little bit more, and then we'll attempt to paint them after the can of paint has warmed up. I get it soaking in a little bit of warm water right now. It's been at room temperature for about 2 days, and just want to make sure everything's nice and warm before I apply these products. Take another one. Just wipe it nice and dry. Make sure it's totally dry, totally nice and clean. Look for any sheen on there, any dust, debris, oil stains, spotting, anything like that. That one looks good. Whoop. Spilt a little bit there, that's okay. Same with the gear. Alright. Take a nice dry rag and dry it all up. Just like we did the other stuff. We'll close this alcohol. Alright guys, we're going to set them right here. We're going to let them dry a little bit, and we'll be back in a few to put a few coats of paint on. One thing I didn't tell you guys is when I just pulled the taillights, they were a little bit dirty behind there, and I saw a little tiny bit of surface rust, so I took a can of fluid film and I sprayed the insides of the brake lights. I sprayed the inside cavities of the brake lights, and I can show you a shot of that right before I reinstall these brake lights after I paint them. They're going to dry for 2 or 3 hours after we apply the paint, so that'll be later today once the sun comes up. But when I do reinstall them, I'll give you a little bit of shot of where I fluid film those areas just in case, just in preparation for the reinstall. Okay, this is the can of fluid film. That's the can I used to spray in those cavities behind the brake lights. So, the brake lights have dried. It's been about an hour. They're pretty warm. And we're going to paint them. I'm going to shake this can up really good, and then we're going to get going. Let me set you up here so you guys can see this. Stick up there for me. Like I said, guys, this is the product we're going to use. VHT Nightshades. Okay, shaking the can up for about a minute. Here we go. Okay guys, that's our first coat. We're going to let it dry, and we'll come back to it. Okay, we're back. I had to move the taillights because I took a delivery. Let's check them out. Man, they are looking good. They are looking good, guys. Alright, I'm going to give them another coat in a few minutes here. I'll update you once the other coat dries. The reason I didn't do my third brake light is because I wasn't going to fuck up all 3 lights if the tint spray didn't work that good. So, see you in a few. That's it. Let's see. Put these screws back in. Alright, after checking them out, they look great. We'll give them a few days. We'll have the paint cure, and then we'll wipe them down. We can review them after that, so looks pretty good to me.